Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply columns in MS Word document. So friends, to multiply column, firstly click on layout and select the area where you want to result, like here. So click here, then click on layout. Now click on formula. Now friends, we need to type formula. So equal sign, then product. So you need to type this word product for multiply. Now type above. Now type above. Then click on OK. That's it. So it's a quick and easy method to multiply column. Very easy. Firstly click, then click on formula. Now type this formula. If you are looking sum, so remove sum and type product. Then click on OK. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very simple method, we can multiply columns in MS Word document. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.